Hey everybody, we're back with another video. This one is on the Corral 4 Drive-In Theater. It opened in Calgary on March 28, 1980, and was the last drive-in theater to be opened and the last to close in Calgary. As you can see, the lane sign still stands at the entrance. What do you choose? 1, 2, 3, 4? Man, that's got to be a choice depending on the videos and movies they showed. I never got to experience the Calgary drive-ins as they were all closed when I moved here. This one closed in 1997 after a large explosion and fire at the neighboring Hub Oil refinery and never opened again.